Sami Senkumba is one of the many Ugandans who turned up today at Kiswa Health Center 3 in Nakawa Division to receive the second jab of the COVID-19 vaccine. Despite the fact that he had to bear the long journey on foot following the ban on public transport, he showed up in time.
Natambuddeko ekitundu ekisinga ate neninya boda buli lwenengero wali omusirikale nga njijjayo kundi yange eno nga njibalaga.
Senkumba says he has been in constant contact with the health workers as to when he can get his second dose following the exhaustion of the vaccine after several days of mass vaccination at Kololo ceremonial grounds. Senkumba is just one of the many who had to bear the journey today to receive their second vaccine jab.
The
vaccination at Kiswa Health Center 3 started at about 11:30 a.m. because health workers could not make it on time. At Kololo Airstrip, the vaccination exercise started at about midday with small numbers of people seen in the line waiting to receive the second jab compared to when the Minister of Health held the mass vaccination exercise in May.
I first drove to Butabika, there was no vaccine. I drove to Kiswa, there was no vaccine. I drove to Chitante, there was no vaccine. And then I finally decided to come to Kololo Airstrip.
I got my first jab in Seguku, there's a hospital there. But I've been calling and they are telling me they don't know when they'll be getting the vaccines.
The Kampala Capital City Authority had to move the health workers from their homes to the various vaccination points.
At Bad Valley Primary School, Kawala Health Center 4, and Namirembe Infant Primary School, the numbers of those who turned up for the second jab were also low. The Ministry of Health says the exercise will go on for 5 days with some adjustments to the time when the exercise should start.
We shall have clarity by close of today, but we hope to always be starting at around 9.
By May 21st, more than 19,000 people who received the first dose by March 20th were due for their second jab. Raymond Tamale, NTV.